Good day everyone, and today we're going to be doing a quick video on order block options strategy. Now, a lot of us are having issues identifying order blocks. Now, this definition I'm going to give us is going to help us understand and get very good and usable order blocks on crypto, right? So without wasting much time, I'll just head over to the definition here. Now it says an order block is a trading concept using technical analysis, particularly in the context of price action and market structure. It refers to a specific area on a price chart where a significant amount of buying or selling activity has occurred, often leading to a notable price movement. Order blocks are typically identified by looking for areas with high trading volume, significant price movements, rejection, or consolidation. Consolidation. Now, um, without wasting much time with the definition we've gotten, now it says these are other blocks now. This line now, these are other blocks around here. You know, you can see when it says that sometimes there's a price rejection. You see this price rejected here. You know, also rejected here. Right now, this what occurred here now is what they call a block breaker. Other block breaker yeah, around around this part now is what they call an order block breaker. You can see the way the price just pushed through or straight up to the next big thing, and also positive this side also going up. Now this is what they call an order block breaker. But now this place is at the price rejected around here. Now you see there's also a rejection here, there's also a rejection here. Now you can see also the price just went out straight down, also broke this part also, and it's also heading down here, and I'm very sure it's going to break this order block too also. Now when you say, now how do you identify other blocks? Now you have to check your volume. Now this is our another indicator. With the use of other technical indicators, now you can get your entry price, your stop loss, and all that. Now you can see that there's a huge selling activity around here. Now you can use your buying or selling, you can use your buying or as in you can use the buying or selling activity there to identify what really happened here, and also by paying attention to the amount of coin actually being traded around here in the depth book. Now everything you need is actually there. It's just for you to understand the concepts, because trading is just like a different language. Now it's just like French, but if you don't understand French, you can't, if you don't understand French, you can't speak French, and you can't hear anything that a Frenchman is saying until you learn French. Now this gives us a clearer understanding on how to use order block option strategy. Now, there's what the passage also said there, that it is advisable to set your stop loss below another strong block, right? Now, if you are using maybe a bigger time frame or a smaller TF here, you can say, like, now you can, if you know that there's no strong buying or selling activity here, right? Being a price action trader, you can set your stop loss below here, around here, around here. It all depends on you, for you to check your charts well, check the depth book, check the amount of coin actually being traded there, right? Being a price action trader, and if you actually caught this price when it was breaking this place, now you can choose to short, and if you, and with the trade still going on, you will be in profit. Now that is what they call an order block breaker. It is very advisable to know. As you can see, the price also reached this block you just rejected, right? So with that definition, it gives us a clearer understanding on how to use block breaker. Now you can use also your 21 moving averages to determine prices and prices ranges on blocks, right? Or also the moving average, sorry, because the moving average gives a very huge gaps that this is going to, if it's going to break another block, right? You can use the direction and momentum of all this to identify your trade. And also, do not forget to take profits, very important. do not forget to take profit. You can't go wrong from taking profit. Thanks for joining us.